Experience the convenience straight out of the box with the latest cordless electric lawn mowers, powered by rechargeable lithium-ion batteries. These models are notably quieter compared to their gas-powered counterparts and eliminate the risk of fuel leakage or degradation, allowing for vertical storage that saves valuable garage or shed space. Requiring minimal off-season maintenance, the top-performing cordless electric lawn mowers deliver performance on par with traditional gas models. As many municipalities impose restrictions on gas-powered outdoor equipment, now is the opportune moment to transition. In our evaluation to determine the top electric mowers, we tested 5 models across cutting, bagging, and mulching tasks, considering factors ranging from interface design to special features and runtime. Whether you're adhering to HOA regulations, embracing eco-friendly practices, or simply tired of inhaling exhaust fumes during hot summers and wrestling with clogged carburetors in cold winters, we've identified the optimal electric lawn mower for your needs. Starting with number 6, the Greenworks 25022 12 amp 20-inch 3-in-1 electric corded lawn mower caters to individuals with smaller yards. Offering excellent value, this budget-friendly model operates via a cord, necessitating navigation around an extension cord. However, our testing revealed its surprising power and user-friendly operation. Featuring a 20-inch cutting deck with 7 height adjustments, it provides mulching, bagging, and side discharge capabilities for grass clippings, while a 14-gauge 50-foot or 12-gauge 100-foot extension cord is required, not included. The mower ensures unlimited runtime when plugged in, thanks to its integrated cord retention system. Lightweight and maneuverable, it comes with an easy-to-detach grass collection bag. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER MM2000 20-inch 13 amp corded electric push lawn mower. If you're comfortable maneuvering around an extension cord while mowing, the BLACK+DECKER corded push lawn mower is an affordable option offering unlimited runtime. Featuring a 20-inch deck with winged blades for efficient grass collection, its EdgeMax design allows you to get close to obstacles like fencing and flower beds, reducing the need for additional trimming. Lightweight and agile, this mower offers 7 deck height settings, ranging from 1.5 to 4 inches. Equipped with a 13-gallon grass collection bag, it also provides mulching and side discharge capabilities. Additionally, it collapses for convenient storage in your garage or shed. Number 4. Worx WG779. While many electric mowers come with a hefty price tag, the Worx 40-volt 14-inch push mower stands out as one of the most budget-friendly options available. Despite its affordable price, it doesn't compromise on features. With 3 adjustable cutting deck heights, it's versatile enough to handle various mowing tasks. The included 0.85 bushel bagger attachment makes collecting clippings a breeze, or you can utilize the mulching feature to nourish your lawn with cuttings. An onboard battery meter keeps you informed of remaining runtime, and the dual-port charger allows for simultaneous charging of both batteries. Featuring a push-button start for easy operation and a dual battery power system offering up to 2 hours of runtime. This mower is both practical and efficient. Number 3. RYOBI RY401120 20-inch 40-volt 6.0 amp lithium-ion battery self-propelled lawn mower. Designed for homeowners with larger yards or uneven terrain, the RYOBI RY401120 boasts a self-propelled design for effortless mowing. Its 20-inch deck with rear-wheel drive ensures optimal traction, allowing for up to 42 minutes of operation per charge. You can customize the mower's speed to match your walking pace, and choose between mulching, bagging, or side discharge options. Featuring 7 cutting heights and adjustable handles for added comfort, it also comes equipped with LED headlights for nighttime mowing. Additionally, the onboard battery storage compartment offers convenience for battery swaps during longer mowing sessions. Number 2. Makita 18-volt X2 LXT lithium-ion push lawn mower. If you're in the market for a cordless battery-powered option, look no further than this Makita model. Featuring a brushless motor capable of delivering up to 3,300 revolutions per minute, it ensures swift and robust cutting performance. Equipped with 4 18-volt batteries operating in pairs, you can expect around 40 minutes of continuous runtime. The mower boasts an 18-inch commercial-grade steel deck, though slightly smaller than some competitors, offering versatility in bagging, mulching, or rear discharge options. Despite offering 10 cutting heights, the highest setting maxes out at 3 inches, potentially posing a challenge with tall or overgrown grass. Designed for operator comfort, it features a soft and rubberized grip, while a quiet mode minimizes noise disturbance, ideal for early morning mowing sessions. Number 1. Ego Power LM2101. Renowned for its ease of use and efficiency, the Ego Power 21-inch battery-powered push mower is a top pick among those transitioning from gas to electric lawn equipment. With a user-friendly push-button start, say goodbye to the hassle of traditional ripcords, enjoying near-instant motor activation. Its 21-inch cutting deck offers 6 adjustable heights, effortlessly controlled by a shifter knob, while the included bagger attachment streamlines grass clippings collection. Alternatively, utilize the mulching feature for finer clippings suitable for nourishing your lawn between landscaping tasks. Folding into a compact form for convenient storage, it's an ideal space-saving solution for garages or tool sheds. Powered by a 56-volt battery compatible with other Ego Power branded tools, it provides up to 45 minutes of runtime per charge, complemented by LED headlights for added visibility during early morning or evening mowing sessions. Closing remarks on top-rated electric lawn mowers. Present-day electric mowers stand out for their efficiency and robust performance, rivaling their gas-powered counterparts. Corded variants excel in residences with accessible outlets, whereas battery-operated models offer adaptability and ease, provided you maintain charged batteries. For those seeking unparalleled convenience, consider investing in a robotic lawn mower, transforming your yard care into a luxurious experience. These eco-friendly tools operate quietly and reliably, making them an ideal choice for maintaining a tranquil environment. If you have a medium-sized lawn, an electric mower emerges as the ultimate solution for seamless lawn upkeep. That concludes our rundown of the finest electric lawn mowers. I trust you found this video informative, and if so, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up. Your feedback is invaluable to me. Share your selection of electric mower in the comments below. Thank you for tuning in, and that wraps up today's video. If you found this content helpful, please consider giving it a like. To stay updated on future releases, subscribe to the channel. Looking forward to catching you in the next video. Until then, take care. Foreign.